Well guys, this is why I don't like taking full-size shows to any show around me. I was the only full-size car there with this Avalon. Now a lot of you guys are going to tell me that this is not a full-size car, and you guys are right. It's actually like a large mid-size car or a large small car, but around me, anything over a wheelbase of 106, so center of wheel to center of wheel, anything that is a V6 over the wheelbase of 106 is large car by me. So that makes Lumina large car, Ford Taurus large car, Crown Vic's large cars, Cadillac's large cars. But anyway, off topic. I hate running full size around me. And last night was the prime example. I was the only full size car that showed up. Only one. They were not even going to let me run until one of my friends that was running mini car said he'll run full size because the full size heat goes before mini. So he stepped up, ran full size with me, and this car kind of went to shit quick because mini are allowed to do a lot more. But and then he ran midi right after me. So thank you very much to my friends. I wouldn't have driven 2 hours to not be able to run, which sucks. And I knew this car was junk. It ran great until I lost the oil filter. Yep, that's right. This, oh, did I lose the, oh no, I didn't lose the oil filter. Oh God, I know what happened. Oh God. Air compressor broke the block. Everything was going great until I drove as hard as I could into the front of his Camry. His Camry had square tubing, it had more plates, everything like that. Anyway, what I'm saying is, this car ran great until it had no oil in it. You can see that it had a hard run. The top motor mount is broken completely off. There's nothing left to that motor mount. It sheared right off the block. So that's not a good thing. Maybe the hole in the oil pan I can put my fist through right behind the air compressor is not a good thing. I thought I was doing good. I almost got his front tire, but he kind of zipped out. Oh, I almost fell. Zipped out of the way kind of quick. And just mostly ripped all my front suspension off. The tech officials probably had some of the biggest laughs at me with this tire. So like I was saying, the rules say I can't run 12s anymore. So this is a 14-inch tire, donut tire on a 14-inch rim off a trailer, and it has so much ether in it, but it held together. Didn't pop at all. Still got pressure. Yeah, I pretty much just wanted to use up this car and get it done. And as of right now, I'm pretty sure this car is 100% garbage. So we will get it stripped. We'll pull the axles out, save those. I'm gonna probably pull the intake off, and I'm probably gonna cut off this exhaust manifold for a buddy. Look at the wiring to the alternator. This. Oh God. Oh God. But you know what? Full size around me in these small towns is pretty much dead. It's so hard to bring a car and have 3 cars show up, or 2 cars show up, or 1 car show up, and you're told to go home. So that's why I run mini so much. I knew this Avalon was junk. I really did. I really thought this bumper may be a little bit better than what it was, but nope. Yeah, frame is completely garbage. Passenger side frame rail has bent all the way to firewall. You can fit your fist. You know, doing the alternator belt should be really easy now, and the timing belt too. But no, I'm just gonna take all my stuff out, like my seat, my cage, my battery, my gas tank, send her into scrap, get my seat belts back off of it where I can, and move on. But oh well, it was a fun car. It did its purpose. I knew that it was pretty much used up, and I knew this frame would kink on itself again really hard because I never put a plate. But it was running great until it had no oil. As soon as it had no oil, it no longer ran great. Avalon was not that bad though. Some things I would change for the next time. Obviously this. Obviously that. But learning experience, right? This one here is very clean. I ran it bone stock. I imagine if I was allowed to do a little bit more, it would do a lot better. But live and learn, right? So Avalon's probably going to go to scrap now because there's nothing left of this car. The motor's junk, the frame's junk, the rear end's junk. Let's face it, it's junk. But lots of parts we can save. Struts, axles, tires, control arms, rear struts. Pretty much a lot of parts like that. I'm going to probably save coil packs. I know it's not derby rated, but these coil packs are the same coil packs in my car that I drive every day. So it's always nice to have some good genuine Toyota coil packs. But, well, I think that's the end of the Avalon. I think she's going to go into scrap very shortly once she gets filled up with some garbage. But, kind of did really crap. They counted me out last night after minute 30. But it was just me and a buddy in there, and I said, listen, I want to put on a show for you guys. Let us keep going. So I said, give him the money, give him the trophy. So they gave him the money, gave him the trophy, and they let us keep going, which was pretty nice of the promoter. And I always go there wanting to put on a show. That didn't go the way I wanted. Holy crap, look at that roof. What on earth happened there? Oh God. Look at that. I think I can reach the child safety locks through here. Oh well. Fun derby, fun time. Get this thing off the trailer, get the next one on. But piece of junk. It's off to scrap. Thanks for watching, guys. See you back here tomorrow.